this thing that just happened could set me free. But why settle in one place when you could have the whole world?
I think there's something you're not telling me. If you don't want to tell me everything, that's fine. Just don't lie to me.
Intellect in the history of humankind.
You took me from my home to a place you know I'll be unhappy.
You're wondering if you've done the right thing.
You read minds, too?
Why you look like that? I mean, you look like some kind of vampire from outer space or something. What are you doing?
Anybody see that? That light? There was a noise. Did you hear it?
The man's inebriated.
I'm not drunk.
Can't sleep. Can you?
What's happening to you, George?
Lately, things have been so clear to me. Just understand quicker. I just can't stop feeding myself. I read three books a day.
Ever since.
The other kids, they think I'm weird.
Carrie, favorite poem? Did you bring one?
I don't want to be. I want to be normal.
Wipe that smile off your face.
I have to try and be a whole person before it's too late.
Help this little girl see the sin of her days and ways. She'd made innocent. The curse of blood would
Mama, that's not even in the Bible. It doesn't say that anywhere.
Some of us can move objects with our minds.
You're a second-generation mover.
Is that what the kids are calling it these days?
Others can make their thoughts your own.
Get the hell out of my head!
Some can see the future.
You're a watcher.
Right now, our future isn't that great.
But there's a secret organization within our government called Division.
This is Frank Sullivan.
Hello? What'd you say your name was?
Frank Sullivan.
Is this some kind of joke?
That will allow John Sullivan to talk to his father.
What do you say we tame this Bronco, huh? You and me, spared the guts.
Who's been dead for 30 years.
But how could it be?
I don't know, but we gotta be talking up the mother-son spot of all time.
Chris Johnson has the ability to see things before they happen. And if you can see the future, you can change the present. But that kind of power has a price.
You can see things.
That's why I think we're getting stronger, you know?
She thinks it's stolen. No idea.
Yes, it was the black guy this time.
Because we're working it out.
There's nothing stopping us.
Where are you going?
I'm sorry.
That's just some redneck. What the hell is this guy's problem? Would I actually...
You go into a dark place, clench your fists, think of the moment you're going to, and you'll find yourself there.
It's going to be a complicated year.
It's going to be a complicated life.
For me, it was always going to be all about love. I'm Tim.
I'm Mary.
Listemizi beğendiyseniz kanalımıza abone olmayı, videolarımızı beğenmeyi ve yorum yapmayı lütfen unutmayın. Yeni bir listede görüşmek üzere. Hoşça kalın.